Hey guys, yeah, welcome to Le Camper Bus. I must use this more often. Last year I was disgusted at myself. I just had the MOT done on it and I only done 1,000 miles in a year. Anywho, I have been asked by a few people, why am I not making as many videos as I used to do, etc, etc. Well, the short answer is that I live in the northeast of England and the weather hasn't stopped raining since I came back from Tenerife, so I can't really do a lot of the outside events. For example, today is the Chinese Lunar New Year. I had it planned to go down watch the celebrations down Stowell Street, Newcastle, Chinatown, and it's chucking down a rain, absolutely chucking it down a rain. So that has kind of put pay to that. That's yeah. Look at the state of this weather. Look at that. Keeps getting a bit harder as well. That's what she said. Hey! Anywho, so yeah, the weather is stopped all play. Now, I have thought about doing some videos in Le Peuple Shed and just having general chats and talks and things like that. But a lot of you, well, not you guys, because you guys are still here, but a lot of people unsubscribed when I've done videos like that, and I got some hate mail basically saying, would you stop doing those videos, we don't like them, they're stupid, yeah, they're boring, and we're unsubscribing. So that's why I stopped doing videos pretty much like this. So no doubt, because of this video, a lot of you guys will, I've got a car behind me I think, no I haven't, a lot of you guys will probably disappear. So I'm kind of stuck between a rock and a hard place. I either don't do a video and you guys say, why not doing a video? Or I do a video like this because I can't do anything else because of the weather. And then you guys go, oh, we don't like them type of videos. I just don't know what to do anymore. Anywho, yeah, today it's going to be one of those kind of days where you're just going to follow me around. So I have just been to the shop to get some caffeinated beverage. And I'm about to go to the ATM. I was going to go to the ATM in the bank. I was going to go to the ATM at the garage, sorry. But they charge £1.50 to get your own money out the ATM. When just across the road, there is the TSB. So I'm going to get my money from there, which is free to get my money out, which it should be. So yeah. Let's go! So, anywho, I have wanted to do some more videos, but like I say, the weather's kind of stopped it. And things like geocaching, I thought, well, I'll go and do some geocaching trails. But when it's raining like this and muddy, yeah, they're no good. Yeah, that's how cold it is, look. That's just got to open the van door. So yeah, as you can see, it is freezing here, it is wet, it is miserable, it's all the horrible stuff. So yeah. Next up, I'm going to try and find a barber's that's open on a Sunday to get this mop cut. Well, it's not really a mop, it's quite short, but I just want the back and sides done. So yeah, see where today takes us. There we go, that's a bit better. Sharp as a pin. So yeah, what to do for the rest of the day? In the rain, on a Sunday, in the winter. Yeah. Anywho, this time next week we will be driving down to Belgium, so we'll see what we can get up to in Belgium. But it's hard to film when I'm there because one, the weather isn't that good there either at the minute, and I'll be working, so it's just whatever we can do after I finish work, and it'll be dark. This isn't looking good, is it? Anywho, yeah. Well, in the rain, measuring furniture for customers on a Sunday, because what else do I have to do? But yeah, leaving the camper bus here in the compound with the van, because I don't think I'm going to go anywhere else with it today. So yeah, just waiting for Emma to pick me up now.
Puddle's bigger.
The puddle is bigger, look at that. Get a look at that, Fogarinos. Whoa, it's went all out of focus. Anywho, yeah, as you can see, that's what we're dealing with at the minute. Look at that weather.
Puddle's got bigger.
Puddle has got bigger.
The puddle's over at this side now.
Yeah, it's surpassed the cones. Yeah, this weather is killing me. Oh man, we've missed the red light. You'll have to stop. That car in front didn't. Emma, I think all this wood's too big. Wood is too big. What'd I say?
My wood because of your wood.
Well, I found the perfect girth wood, Emma, but is that not too long for you? Is it too long? Is the wood too long?
Never mind. Mine's shaped.
You like shaped wood? Well, to add to the utter excitement of this video, we're going for our dinner. Whoop whoop chicken soup? Or is it chicken dinner? Or is it turkey dinner? Oh, and just as the New Year celebrations end, the sun comes out. Marvellous. Oh yeah. Well folks, there you go. That is why I haven't been doing many videos lately. The weather, the fact it gets dark real early at the minute, and the fact that most things look at the state of this. Look. Wow. Anywho. No, I've got rubbish outside too. Which has just fell off the chair. Anywho. Yeah, so that's why I'm not doing many videos at the minute. Because that is basically all I'm doing. Just normal, everyday things. Yeah. But we do have some plans. We're going to Belgium next week. Then Alton Towers will be opening in a month's time. So things will start waiting up on the channel. So still, hit like, hit subscribe, do all that good stuff. See you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.